Have you ever tried shrink wrap on your pliers as a protective surface?
So I've got some, now may be a good time to have a bit of a play around. I don't have anything big enough for my pliers. What I was going to do was actually do a bit of shrink wrap on some burrs. Wrong one. So I've got a little bit of shrink wrap here. This is like shrink wrap, like tubing. You can put it over your burrs like this, and then you can warm that up. Let me see if this works, shall we? I have never tried this. So you should be able to warm this up gently, and it should shrink around the burr, around the stem. I presume this is how, there we go, shrink, shrink, shrink. Oh, lovely. There we go. So you can actually shrink it to, there we go, your burr. And what you could do, perhaps if you had drills, or you had especially some polishing mops that you used for Tripoli and for rouge, you can colour code them. That's really good. And also you can write on them, and if you write on them before they shrink, you should be able to have it shrunk upon the pliers. You can do it onto the let's have a look. Do you want, let's have a play a minute, shall we? This is quite interesting. So let's have a look. Let's do overhead. So I got some shrink wrap here. Let's put it onto the ends of my pliers there, shall we? And let's just cut that off there. You can buy shrink wrap in most places. So there's shrink wrap there. Let's see if this will shrink. Look at that. And you can use that now to protect your pliers.
Brilliant idea.
What a groovy idea.
Nice one.
And let's put some more on the other side, shall we?
Thank you, Noel. That's brilliant.
So there we go. You also use some boiling water for this. So there we go. And now we've got a little bit of shrink wrap on my tweezers.
Wow.
My tweezers, my pliers.
Thanks, Noel.
Good.
That's
yes.
Brilliant.
What was the question?
Have you ever tried using shrink? Well, exactly that. He's just given you the suggestion and you've demonstrated. That's why I keep saying thanks, Noel, because it was his idea.
So yeah, so shrink wrap, you can buy it in all different types of places. I have bought, this literally cost me about £2, and I've got an absolute huge amount of it. And I just simply wanted to colour code my burrs, or perhaps write on them. But yes, it's a brilliant idea. Shrink wrap. What size is this? This is, I think this is about 6mm. I do believe 5mm, 6mm. Let me just double check. And it shrinks down onto your burrs, 2.35mm burrs. So this is, nope, it is, region about 4mm diameter, and that shrinks down onto the burrs, as you can see, really nicely. And you can colour code whatever you want.
Excellent.
Good.
Okay.